How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the GSE Smart IPTV player to your Firestick or Android TV device. The whole setup is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, we'll have to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let's click on it, and now here's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV stick. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader on your Fire Stick, we need to go to the settings by clicking this button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You open it, and now here what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. So we open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we have to go to the list of apps on your Firestick device. Let's open it, and there's Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So what we have to do is go straight back to the list of apps on your device, open it up, and then go to Downloader. So we open Downloader, and now all we have to do is open this search bar that you can see on the screen and start typing in the code, which will be 765126. So once again, 765126. Click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now when the website opens, you have to click on download for Android at the top of the website, and now download of GSE Smart IPTV app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you'll have to click install, and wait a bit until the app is fully installed to your Firestick. And after it is installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now, when we go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, here it is, let's open it up, and then here you'll find the GSE Smart IPTV app, which we just installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the GSE Smart IPTV app. And from here it's actually pretty easy to set up, so if your Live provider gave you an extra code, you just click on that option, and then later on you'll get the screen where you'll need to enter your link, password, and log in to get access to the playlist. Alternatively, you can also use M3 links, which is another alternative for IPTV playlists and is probably the most popular way to watch IPTV online. So this app supports both M3 links as well as extra codes. So that's pretty much how to get and set up GSE Smart IPTV app on your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.